Everyone, is my audio clear? Yes, I think now it's fine. Should be fine. Yes. Yes, I was just. Thank you, everyone. Yes, thank you, Atul. Thank you, Rahima. Yes, for joining. Yes. Yeah. Before we start, this is perhaps the last time we meet before Independence Day. So, wishing everyone a very happy Independence Day. And with that note, we'll probably begin our post-market analysis for the day. Nifty just continued to consolidate in an extremely tight range of 24,600 to 670. That is almost 70 points. 70 points on an entire day. This is the consolidation range, and that is only 0.28%. So the market was not going anywhere, going nowhere, and it was obviously very difficult for option traders to trade on this day, except for people who did iron condor or basically put selling at 24,500 or 24,800. So that was relatively easy because the market just kept on consolidating for from 9:15 to 3:30 till the end of the day, and we expected this because we had a sense of consolidation yesterday also, and we had this after 4 days of frantic movement. So this is how Nifty looks. This is how Nifty looks in the weekly chart now. We had talked about this. We had talked about this on the previous market live, that Nifty had closed in the red for 6 continuous weeks, and now possibly we'll close in the green, and that's what we expected, and that is exactly what has transpired. So market closing at 24,631, and that is a green week for us. Tomorrow is a holiday, so we don't have a trading day on Friday, and we are also expecting major events in the upcoming days. So just as we have mentioned previously, Trump is meeting Putin for over a trade deal, and that is to happen tomorrow. Hopefully something fruitful comes out of that discussion, and we also have the I was just checking out the economic calendar. We have from 13. Yes. So we have the FOMC minutes, which is Federal Open Market Committee. So basically, the Reserve Bank of India and the Reserve Bank coming up with the inflation rates, updating about the economy and all. So a similar thing happening in the US is the FOMC minutes. So that is to come up on 20th of August. So that is the next major upcoming event. And obviously we have the retail inflation, retail sales data, the industrial production data, multiple things which are of lesser significance. And the main thing is FOMC minutes, plus tomorrow we have the Trump-Putin meeting happening. So in the meeting, let's say if things ease and the tensions ease, that could also possibly result in the complete revocal of 25% additional tariff imposed on India. So that could also happen. So we are awaiting things. So let it happen tomorrow, and we'll discuss the possibly we'll have a pre-market report also on Monday. And while looking at the open interest data, so the open interest data, this is how it looks for, see, this is done because it's expiry, and for 21st August and for the next week expiry, this is how it looks. So now it is kind of evenly balanced on both sides, on call sides as well as put sides, and 25,000 still remains a very strong resistance for Nifty. PCR is standing at 0.9, so which is neither bullish nor bearish. So we are as expected in a consolidation range. We'll also go and check quickly the FII, DII data as we do generally. So the FI data has not been updated by Sensible yet. So we'll wait probably a couple of minutes more. In that time, if it comes, well and good. Else we'll just move on. So this was the case yesterday. FIs were indecisive, clients were strongly bullish, and many of them got trapped again yesterday, as is the case every single day, and that keeps happening. Also checking at the Sensex levels. Yes. So Sensex has also closed in the green, just like Nifty does. Nifty did, and where are we heading to from here? I have drawn this pattern previously too. So are we kind of forming a cup and a handle? I mean, we don't know. We don't know yet. It again depends on the policymakers, the authorities. Let's say Trump and Putin, the meeting, whatever happened. So I'm not going to comment on any of those aspects, but we will see. We are yet to get any outcomes from there, and because we do not have the FI history, FIDA data for the latest day, we will quickly go to the important levels for Nifty, which has to be watched out for the next trading session. So this is the weekly chart. If I switch to the 15-minute chart, the key resistance levels again remains on 24,700 on the upside, and possibly 24,530 to 500 on the downside. So this remains support zone, and this remains a resistance zone for Nifty. Okay, so these are the two zones, and above this we can possibly expect a rally up to 24,900 or above. Below this one we can definitely we will be aiming for 24,330, depending upon whether we have a gap up or gap down opening on Monday. And the India VIX has also, yes, VIX is 1.8% up today, and VIX also just kept on consolidating after the initial burst, initial havoc. VIX also just consolidating, and VIX at 12.3 is not the most volatile market. VIX at above 15 could be considered volatile, and that could be helpful possibly for option sellers too. So as an option seller, even I don't have much premiums to play with currently. And these are our positions today. Yes, these are our positions today. We had to end up flat. We did trade, but we had to end up flat, and nothing did go as expected. So we no profit, no loss on this particular day. So that's it basically for the post market analysis, and till we meet again on Monday possibly, it's goodbye from me, and before that a very happy Independence Day to every single member out there, every single follower, everyone, every Indian out there. So till we meet again on Monday, Jai Hind, take care and goodbye.